In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening free app called Hi Theme that's already on your device. And tapping on theme at the bottom. Now click on one of those. Select one of the available options or click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. After finding the best theme for you, click on it, hit download and wait. Then select apply and wait again. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by accessing the same app. Clicking on theme or wallpaper at the bottom and selecting those three lines at the top left corner. Then you can hit My Themes, tap on internal one and apply it. You can also apply it a little faster by holding your device's screen, clicking on Themes at the bottom and clicking on it over here. You can even go into Settings, tap on Personalization, click on My Themes at the top and access them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!